Little Pines Recreation Area, one of the 23 of the best camping sites in Arkansas. Little Pines Recreation Area offers fishing and picture-perfect scenery in the Ouachita National Forest. It has picnic units, a swimming area with a beach, and a boat ramp. It's located in Waldron, which is about 2.5 hours from Little Rock. Little Pines Recreation Area offers a full-service modern campground with electricity, water, trailer dump station, paved roads, a pavilion, hiking trails, a day-use area with a swimming beach, and boat docks. The recreation area is located on the banks of Lake Hinkle, a 1,000-acre lake, managed by the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, with abundant fishing opportunities for bass, crappie, bream, sunfish, and catfish. Also within the facility is a boat ramp, fishing dock, toilet facilities, and ample parking. While most facilities are free, there is a nominal fee for the day use area and a modest fee for overnight camping.